welcome back to my channel.
Wait. So I thought to do a simple quick skincare routine that I usually follow. So let's get started. Firstly, I use this Pond's Pure Detox Anti-Pollution Face Wash. In the second step, I massage my skin with a derma roller for about 15 minutes or so. Before using a derma roller, you can use a hydrating serum and then start with the massage. I don't use anything for now.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Third step, I use this Himalaya Neem Face Kit. In that particularly, I use the Himalaya Cleansing Milk. It gives your skin that clean feeling. It mainly contains lemon and mint, which makes your skin clear and radiant. In the fourth step, I use Himalaya Neem Scrub, which removes dead cells, black and white heads from our skin. Fifth, I use a face massager for exfoliating of dead skin cells and to make my skin feel even more better. After I wash my face, I use the Himalaya moisturizer to moisturize my skin.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
The last step in the process goes with the lip balm. So if you like this quick skincare routine, make sure you like, share and also subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates.
Adios amigos.